Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything about the new pomegranate fruit in Grow Garden game of Roblox Trader event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the pomegranate fruit looks like. And to get the seed, you need to join the trader event right here. You can trade your fruits and you will have chance or possibility to get the pomegranate seed. I'm going to show you the trade rewards. Okay, you will have chance or possibility to get the pomegranate seed, and I have already planted the pomegranate seed on my garden guys. Let me show you. Okay, this is the pomegranate plant on my garden, and I'm going to show you guys the base value of this fruit. I'm going to go to the seller shop and I'm going to check how much this is worth. Okay, and this is the base value. The base value is around 60k shackles, and yeah, it's small, but it has great value. So I think it's worth to plant on your garden. Okay guys, and that's all about the pomegranate fruit in Grow Garden game of Roblox new trader event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!